intake area. And then expected output, we have the formulation of the hazard map. Classified around the tapo. And then yung implementation 2013. Person responsible, we have the BDRRMC. And then yung budget po, kasi since hindi namin nagagamit yung SK fund, pwede po kami kumuha doon. And then we have the BDRRMC fund. And then yung construction of slope protection, since na-identify na po namin, implement namin 2013 to 2015, magagaling po yan sa BDC, 20% sa development fund. And then yung tree planting namin, expected output is yung landslide reduction para sa slope protection. Implementation namin is 2013. Person responsible, the same, BDRRMC, and then we have also the SK fund or the BDMMC fund. And then sa response po namin, conduct of training on disaster preparedness, ito po yung output awareness on disaster management. Implementation 2013 to 2015. Person responsible, we have also the BDRRMC or the FOXWADU. And then we have the SK fund. And then number 3 po namin is procurement or storage of relief goods. Availability of relief goods 2013 or as arrived needed. And then BDRMC or OXWADU po ang responsible person para po makuha namin yung or the BDRRMC. And then yun pong rehabilitation namin is clean up drive. Clean environment ang output, and then implementation is 2013 to 2015. Responsible person is BDRRMC, and then budget magagaling po sa fund din. Thank you po.
So, thank you very much, ma'am. So, any critics or comments from the group again? Yes, ma'am.
Tanong ko lang po sa kanya, kung after pinuwan ko is kompleto, mas malaki po yata kung hindi po lakas ng budget is makukuha natin sa SK. Magkakaroon lang po sila ng konting budget rather than kukuha po talaga dahil yung 70% ay 5% na calamity, o yung magagamit po natin. O ma'am, ang nawag kasi natin, just in case, pagkulang po yung fund natin, from the budget lang, maraming disaster po yung mga kami ng
Augmentation.
Augmentation from the fund. Okay. Any other comment from the group? Okay. So, ito po tayo. On the first thematic area, PPH nila is identification of hazardous areas. Yeah? So, ang expected output nila is hindi po formulated already or it's already there. Okay? Nagawa na tayo ng mapa. Okay? Okay? Schedule of implementation 2013. Okay? BDRC, doon na tayo sa SK fund. Okay? So, yung tanong po ni ma'am kanina. Ano ba yung tanong ni ma'am? Ayun comment.
Doon sa SK, nila kinukuha rather than meron naman po tayo talagang fund para sa plan.
Yes, okay. Yun po yung sabi ni ma'am. Actually, totoo po yun. Okay? Pero sabi naman nila ma'am, augmentation lang daw yung SK fund nila. So, regarding sa ibang funds, eto pwede sa development fund natin sa barangay. Because we are concentrating on the construction of the slope. Okay? Pero dito po, hazard identification, SK fund, pwede din po itong gamitin. Pwede niyong gamitin provided that is a project of the SK. Okay? Provided that is a project of the SK. And then, okay, tutuloy po natin mamaya. Ito, okay? Yung mga may SK fund, okay? So yun po yun. On the construction of the slope, landslide, okay? PPA construction of slope protection. Expected output is landslide reduction or careless constructed slope protection already. Okay? Or stable slope already. That's the expected output. Okay? Your target date is 2030 to 2051. Okay? It's a long-term plan. BDC, BDRMC. Okay? 30% development fund. Okay? Provided also that your PDRL fund is depleted. Okay? Provided that your PDRL fund is depleted. Okay? Pwede nyo gamitin yung development fund nyo. Or kung talagang project doon para sa 20% na development fund, then do it. Diba? Pero kung hindi pa nyo naman nabibigit yung PDRL fund nyo, or it's already allotted for another project, at hindi nakakayanin, and then you can use this one. Tama? Okay? So, here again, tree planting. 2030, PDRC, SK Fund, PDRMC. Provided again that is a project of the SK. Just aligned with disaster management. Okay? So that the mag-implement digay. Hanga na kayo. Although it's barangay it's disaster related. Okay? Disaster related project. Okay? On the preparedness area, conduct of trainings on disaster preparedness. Okay? Awareness trainings of disaster preparedness as in general. Okay? Meaning in general. Okay? Awareness of disaster management of your community. Identify. Okay? Trainings you identify. Okay? Scheduled implementation long-term, BDRMC, persons responsible, BDRMC in line with Oxford. Okay? This is on the preparedness area. If you remember a while ago, na slide na pinakita ko, ang ating chair on preparedness is DILG po. Hindi po DSWD. Okay? Yun po. It's, Oxford is more on response and rehab. Although they are the chair on rehab and recovery. Okay? So yun po yun. So, eto lang po yun. Yun na po. SK Fund, hindi na po natin pwedeng gamitin. Okay? Hindi na po natin pwedeng gamitin yung SK Fund dyan. Okay? Maliban na lang kung talagang i-divert nyo, hindi ko na alam kung paano nyo i-justify sa accounting. Mahirap po kasi i-justify yun eh. No? Sigurado papalik yung papel, sinasabi ko po sa inyo. Hindi nyo ma-justify yun. Use it on trainings of disaster management. Because, sigurado sasabihin sa inyo, meron kayong pondo para sa training, hindi yung pondo ng SK ang para sa training. Sasabihin sa inyo yun. Okay? On small projects like this, hazard mapping, pwede yan. Tree planting, pwede mga yan. But on this, medyo malaki-laki na konti, may hirapan mo yung i-justify yan. Okay? Okay, on third thematic area, response, procurement, storage of relief goods. Storage, we are not, on the barangay, we are not allowed to stockpile. Okay? We are not allowed to stockpile actually. Pwede lang kayong bumili nung kailangan nyo on that week only. Okay? Hindi po tayo pwede mag-stockpile. Okay? See? So, availability of relief goods, okay? Availability of relief goods, andyan na po kasi yan eh. Diba? For affected individuals. Okay? 2013, or hanggang 2013 lang ba? Or as a leader items. Okay? So, pwede nyo gawing long-term yan. Long-term po. PDRC, Oxford, okay. Pwede po yun. Pwede kayo mag-passes sa Oxford. Okay? On the fourth is your rehabilitation and cleanup drive. Okay? Clean environment. Pwede po, you identify po kung anong rehabilitation nyo dito. Sa cleanup drive. Okay? the whole community, ilagay niyo kung yun ang in general na approach. Okay? Barangay cleanup drive na lang ilagay nito. At least the whole community is already activated. No? 2013 long-term plan, BDRC, budget, USK, yun na naman po, medyo, sa tingin ko pala pwede.
Green
On,
Brigade.
SK,
Green Brigade.
meron na pala, ginawa nga rin pala sa barangay namin. Ginamit nila yung SK fund for cleanup drives. Yes, okay. So, yun po. So, any more comments from the group? Any critics? So, thank you very much, Country Club Barangay. So, swerte naman ng ibang barangay, hindi na makakapag-present.